Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm out of breath. I threw that card so many times. Today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here. It's something big. It doesn't feel crazy heavy. So initially I thought I knew what it might be, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I honestly don't even know who sent it. So thanks so much to whoever sent it. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Let's find out. Hopefully, maybe like who it's from. Okay, no questions answered yet. Let's see. This is very tightly packaged, which I appreciate. It's just kind of a journey to get into it. So, what the heck? Oh. I think it is. I think it is what I thought. Well, okay, maybe not. I don't know. I thought it was going to say something on the front. Sorry, I just bumped the camera arm. Whatever this is, if it's available, I will link it in the description right below this video so you guys can pick it up if you want to. It is. It is what I thought it was. Oh, get ready for something nobody needs. Absolutely nobody needs this. But it is available right now, and I know that I know that people are gonna want to go after it. So if you're thinking, I've seen that before, it's not the same one. Ready? Why? Why would they make this? Oh man. So I have the actually Advanced Knife Bro has my folding Katsu hatchet right now. So this is a Katsu I don't know what they call this. I'll link it. It's expensive. I don't know what what's the blade made out of? D2. Yeah, I figured probably D2. It's freaking expensive, but this literally does not exist anywhere else on the market at all. We have a huge, and can you front flip it? Yes, it can be front flipped. Boy, it's covered in oil. Hang on a second. Just get out one of my microfiber cloths that I, have about 400 of. Okay. Had to use my teeth there. It was taking way too long. I'm going to clean this off real quick just so that we can be done with having to deal with the oil. But yeah, this is this is some kind of ninja weapon. And fans of modern ninja weapons will tell you that they still have a place in the modern world, and they don't. But they are This is so dismissive of so many mindsets. I mean, I guess, if your lifestyle is like, if you walk the ninja, talk the ninja, you fly by the beat of the ninja, then maybe this has a practical application in your day-to-day life. I would venture to guess no, that's imaginary, but, oops. Yeah, man, that's cool. I think that's all about, about all it needs to be. So this is, what is the name of the actual, tell me what it is down in the comments. I don't care if you Google it or you already knew because you walked the way of the ninja or whatever. Tell me what this is called. This is like a traditional, or well, I say traditional. I'm sure that there's, things that are incorrect about this. I have no idea. I don't, I didn't go to ninja school, so I have no idea. But tiny folding scythe that operates on an axis lock, right? Kind of neat. This makes it, folding it up makes it slightly more compact. So now how we carry it on our person, I don't really know. It did not come with any type of sheath or anything like that. So this is something you just have to have ready in your pocket. I'm not really sure. Yeah, man. It is cool, though. It's absolutely ridiculous. And I would venture to guess it will still open packages and stuff. Oh, yeah, no problem. Hold on, I got to show that. Let me just use this I'm going to slice me off a chunk of this box over here real quick. And then we're gonna use it here. Ah, ninja slice. Ninja slice. Obviously not this. But you know, it's pretty slicey. I mean, it's a pretty thick ground blade. It's thinner than the hatchet, right? This is more of a pull tear. I think it depends on where we get into the cardboard. If you get in and, you know, it bites, then yeah, it'll definitely slice. I mean, so yeah, the blade is definitely sharp. And it's like the other Katsu products that I have shown on this channel. This isn't like, haha, you know, gas station quality funny. You know, as far as the aesthetic, sure. But let me know, right, before you say gas station, let me know which gas station you ever saw one of these at. You didn't. You didn't see that. So that's just, you can't be lazy with it. You got to describe it. You save that term for when it makes sense. You can't apply it here because you can't get this at any gas station. It just doesn't exist there. But, you know, it's not like haha funny, like Bud K catalog quality. No. These are actually made extremely well. We have a G10 handle, carbon fiber up here, and then we have a super thick steel frame. It's completely and totally solid on lockout. Completely and totally solid. The blade has absolutely been sharpened properly, and we have a nice, even bevel. Hawk bill sort of recurve. I mean, you know, it's a scythe. I mean, it's the right blade style, I guess, for this. There is no situation where I would want to have my hand up here. I don't think. That's just way too close to the blade. You got a breaker / attitude adjuster. That's what the, you know, the American flag karate pants guys are going to say. And then we have 2 more attitude adjusters back here. I mean, here's the deal. Like, all jokes aside, this is a pretty gnarly weapon. It is one, there's no, not even I can spin this as, well, you know, like, well, it's 99% of what it's going to get used for. It's not going to get used for. This is a weapon. Absolutely. And it is ridiculous and nobody needs it. Absolutely nobody. But it is very, very cool. I do think this is fun. Does it qualify as a knife? No, I don't think so. I don't know what the heck to call this, but it is cool. I don't know how I'm going to review this. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to review the hatchet thing. It is cool to whip it out, though. Man. Okay. It comes with that and the carry case, and that is literally it. I don't know that there's anything else that I can say here, guys. Folding axis lock scythe. Mini scythe. Pretty cool. I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.